so I'll slow down because
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
we're good. Just get right up onto it.
Hold on, give it a little more time.
No, get to that. Get to that. Don't even wait. We have to get to Monticello anyway.
Yeah, we gotta
Where's
get to
your good
Monticello.
video camera? Maybe that should be out.
Yeah, you want to take some footage?
Yeah.
Don't
worry about that. I got you on the map.
Jesus. Thank you guys.
Yeah, so it's gonna
Sorry, do you want me to move?
If anything, it's gonna be on the back side of this, right?
Yes. Edema? Yeah. Where's my camera?
It's over here.
Okay. It's out in the rain, totally trashed. Yeah. That's what I figured.
We got a little bit of debris now.
Get to that thing. It's already crossed through our view.
Yo, relax, man.
Ah.
I don't want you to get it.
It is.
Oh, I think it's so close to the ground. Come on.
Oh, look, it's skin of my trees is touching.
Look at that. You
Touching the top of the trees.
You see the rotation on the left side of the car. Are you getting it?
Yeah, I got it.
Attaboy. Get it there. Look at the rotation on that.
Oh, shit.
I guarantee you there's a ground circulation with that.
Yeah, I think you're right.
We have got ourselves, I guarantee you it's going to
Well, we can tell by the damage. We'll cross the path pretty soon.
Just let me know if you need me to move.
That's fine.
Okay. Woo!
There is, oh my god, the rotation is fantastic on that. Dima, keep going. Dude, you gotta get up there.
Called it, dude.
Hurry up.
No, well, now we're...
That was so cute.
Of course, now we start hydroplaning like crazy. You're sure we're good for hail, right?
We are fine.
Right. Yeah, that should be just that way, right?
Yeah, just get us there.
Alright.
This is our money maker for the day. This is it right here.
Money, money maker. Shaking money maker.
I just want Croy to be able to get some video of the underneath it.
Oh, he's got it. He's pretty good.
Good blow.
No, guys, I'm gonna have to go a little slower.
That's fine.
Hydroplane.
Don't worry about it.
Get to those trees, man.
Monticello. Danny, you got the road?
No, I'm disconnected right now. It's fine.
It's run now. It might recycle though.
No, we gotta stay with it.
It might recycle.
You got stuff lifting out right.
You're gonna take a left here at the arena, right? No.
I get a shot quick.
Up here at the
Yeah, hang on.
Oh, it's rotation, you guys, right here. On the ground. Right to our left. Right there. No. It's spinning though.
Right.
I think it's 25 that you're gonna take right up here. You're gonna take a left.
Take a left turn. Whatever you say.
Narrow right. No, hold on. No, keep going. That's a pass. Yep.
Check that out for now.
Come further.
There she is.
Dude, oh yeah, look at that right to our left right there. You see that?
I see that.
Shit. Those are some...
Oh, that's the
Yeah, but it's spinning.
smoke.
No.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Coming out? Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
No, this is the good stuff.
yeah, I know, but that just freaked the hell out of me.
Yeah, it's broadening, but it's
No,
that time of day.